Hey guys, it's CoCo Rides. In today's video, I got another bike vlog for you guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys will like it, and hopefully you guys like the little intro thing right there that I had for you. It was really fun to make, and it was my first time doing that jump up effect where your feet change. So yeah. Hopefully you guys can see all of the video. I'm really hoping you can. And yeah, basically what you guys are seeing is the chest view for this. It's basically like right where my belly is. That's why you guys can see my feet going up and down and up and down and up and down. So yeah, basically why I'm riding right here and not anywhere else is because I'm a beginner bike vlogger, and you know it's a bit embarrassing for you to ride in places where everyone are, like the public, and yeah, it's a bit weird for me at least. Probably not for other people, but for me it's a bit weird. But yeah, that's why I want to get a full face helmet so I can just like talk to myself. No one else will be able to hear me. So basically who I got inspired by was a little YouTuber, about 1,000 subscribers, named Xbean. Shout out to him if he is watching my video. And yeah, I really like your videos, mate. Keep up the good work. And as you can tell guys, probably by my accent or whatever, you guys already know it's coming, that I am actually Australian. I already have a channel right now called Informati, but I kind of quit to that, and I'm working on my channel at the moment. I'm standing up and riding right now, so probably why it's a bit different. But yeah, next year, well, for Christmas, I'm getting a action camera and mounting that up to my helmet, so I will have some helmet cam action, which would be really cool. Wow. I'm not sure if you guys are really seeing much, so okay. Oh, no, I gotta rock in my shoe, a big one too, because I've got a big hole in my shoe at the moment. But anyways, later videos we are going to do some exploring, which will be awesome. So yeah, and yeah, I live in this little area right now, and yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. Learn something every day. Wow. Okay, so I live in Australia, Tasmania. You guys were wondering. Oh god. I'm not sure what time it is right now. I think it's about 6:30, almost 7. So I'm probably gonna head back. Oh god, I didn't mean to do that. All the time if I bump that little thing there, it always dings. And I don't like that. I want to get rid of it because it will lose more weight, which will be better. And then I can actually do wheelies, because I actually can't do wheelies. I can jump off curbs. Oh. Okay, so that was a bad idea. I'm not going to do that again. Okay, everything is back to normal. So yeah, I'm not going to try to jump my bike when I have my camera on. Anyways, yeah, I'm recording with my 6 Plus. Oh, it's actually my dad's 6 Plus, but hey, it's fun, it's cool, and I can use it. Oh, I almost fell off my bike there, but yeah, it's cool. The reason why my thing is capturing so well is because I'm recording this in a setting on 60 FPS that you actually have to change in settings, which I might probably tell you right now. Go to settings and go to camera, I think. Camera, I don't know. And then you change it from there and it will say 60 FPS and ever. So I'm hoping to change this channel to get really big, and yeah, I'm really tired. I went for another really big bike ride to my school, which is at least 10 Ks, I think. 10K bike ride, and I am just a beginner, which is crazy. So yeah, that's really cool. And anyways guys, I think that's going to be the end of the video. I'm going to quickly ride up here and show you my bike, what it is. It's nothing too special, not sure where I got it from. I just got it from a local bike store, and if you guys are hearing any really loud background noise, well, that there, my friends, are just my annoying bike problems. Because every time I pedal, the pedal is hitting the kickstand, and that's my problem. So I'm not sure if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing now, but I'm going to show you. Here is my bike. Been recording for about 6 minutes here. Probably 7 minutes for you guys, but hey, it's my kickstand. It's what broken. This is the brand. It's a Kodiak bike, 18 speed. I thought this was 17 speed, but I guess I'm wrong. Yeah, it's got mud on it and stuff, and it's got a sticker here, and I don't know. I pulled that sticker off there. But yeah, it's getting actually rusty, to be honest with you. I need to get a new bike because I've had this one for a really long time. And as you can see, my kickstand here, like, really messed up. So yeah, I need to get a new one or something. I don't know, I need to get a new bike really. But anyways guys, I'm going to have this little last clip of me going down a big hill that way.